Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel CAD NEST. Myself Allauddin here. I'm a civil CAD engineer in a CAD NEST. So today I'm just going to start about AutoCAD topic. So how to work with a scaling option. So scaling is nothing but to increase and decrease of an object. So one particular object, whatever the object will be there, like any columns, beams or door, window, anything. So related to any type of component, you can make this one as scale. Means that one we can make increase and decrease on of an object here. Now example, I'm just going to make one object here. So for this object, let it be this some objects I have placed here. So for that one I want to make a scale to this one. So how we are going to take this one? So you can see the scaling option here. You can take the scale from here in the modify option also, or say you can enter the shortcut command, that is SC. You can enter. If I enter SC also, shortcut command you can use here. So SC if I'll take, and now you can give enter here. After entering, now see the command bar is asking to select the object which one you wanted to make a scale. So I'll select both the object, and after that selecting enter. Once if I'll enter, now he's asking to select one base point from this. I'll select one base point. Now from this base point, how much you wanted to increase and how much you wanted to decrease. Now if I'll click on a decrease option, you can click on this decrease. Now enter. If I enter, now it will get decrease here. So like that you can use this one as a scaling option to this one. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Hope you understood. Like our video, subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.